My God, kaya ako natitense. Kaya titigilan ko na to. Hindi, ito pa rin yun. Wow.
Then I will jump with you.
Guten morning. We are here at Schiphol area in Amsterdam. We're staying here for one night. And I want to show you, this is our hotel. Sabi ni Isabella, 1-star hotel daw yung hotel namin. Pero hindi naman. Ano lang namin to, it's very near the airport. Nasa, ano kami ng Kawalan. Everyone, ladies and gentlemen, we are in the Netherlands. Yeah. Airport hotel lang. Kasi one night lang kami dito. Because we are gonna go to Paris. You know, the nice thing is the weather. Even though it's summertime here, the weather is still chilly. So I'm happy. I'm not sweating. Nagbubook ng Uber si Robin ngayon. Sabi ko siya na mag-book. Hanapin niya yung lugar. Okay. Nahanap mo. Yan yun? Tama?
Yan.
Okay. Book ko na yan. Okay. Kasi maaraw na maaraw. Kaya I'm gonna book the Uber now. Ano gusto ni Robin gawin? Yung tumakbo-takbo sila sa mga parang forest na ganyan. Yan ang mga gusto niyang gawin sa buhay talaga. Hindi lang natin masyado maano dahil ayaw tumayo ni nanay. Pero sila, masaya sila. Naghahabulan. Ayun eh. Tapos, another thing na gusto niya is manood ng movie. So, my kids love How to Train Your Dragon. And we're gonna watch that today. We are excited. And then we're gonna meet my family in Paris. And I'm really so excited for that because we're going to see Dad. Adriana has that ballet thing again. So, it's like a reunion. Okay. Let's go, baby girl. Presenting Rumi. Presenting Mira. Yay. Yay. Okay, go. Okay, ito pa rin yun. Wow. Okay. Yay. Thank you, baby. Wow. All right. What about? Okay. Oh, sure. We are now walking in my favorite city in the whole world. Can you guess what that is? It's Amsterdam. Oh, ito na. Kaya ko gusto, di ba? Ang saya-saya. Good vibes. Happy. Saka higit sa lahat, ang ganda-ganda talaga dito. Annalyn, yung mga bata, we're gonna follow tatay. That's what we're doing.
Welcome to Korea.
Doon tayo sa luma pupunta? Yeah, it's a lafufu. You're right. Lafufu kasi hindi siya totoo. It's all lafufu ang tawag pag fake.
That's like double check first.
Yeah.
I like the book.
Yaya Joe, paano mo sila hinaalagaan kung nauna ka sa kanila?
I like popcorn with that
Okay, 3 minutes.
Okay, mamaya na tayo ulit mag-vlog kasi natitense ako. Kasi yung mga bata, yun lang yung beauty pag may trolley. Yung alam ko nandun sila sa loob lang. Pag ganito, natitense ako na ganito. We are looking for the cinema. Oh, my kotse!
I'm trying to dress up like
Oh my God, kaya ako natitense. Kasi kulang ang titigilan ko na to.
We're gonna buy a bag so we can put in the bag.
We will go here early if you want to buy stuff. What is that?
Hindi mo sinasabi sa
Is that
Oh, okay.
yun yung mga bagong toys ngayon. They're yung blind box, yung
Oh.
parang hindi mo alam kung ano yung makukuha mo.
Ah, ganun?
Parang dati sa mga cards, gano'n.
Ah.
Ngayon laruan na siya.
That's trash can. That is what you call garbage basket.
Nagtumbling yung bata.
They're waiting for the garbage. And this guy, dali lang ha, medyo may malasing yata yung pinarang yung...
buy them? Can we just skip the movie?
Huh? Yeah, we're going to the movie house. Yeah, 7 minutes more. We're there. Sure. You don't want to go to the movie house? You gotta watch the dragon. Why you don't want to? Ano sa likod nasa kasaan tayo, bumilit ka. Nahihitan ba ito? Cinnamon?
Cinnamon roll.
What cinnamon? Oh, be careful, baka masagasaan na. We went there a long time ago. We went there.
Then I will jump with you. No, it's Sorry. If I see something that has pom pom for it, I will be so happy.
Itong isa, walang...
You're not feeling cold, baby love? I'm enjoying it.
I love the weather.
I know, me too.
Is my favorite country. You know,
This is my most favorite of all. Even the summertime is amazing.
I also like London.
I haven't been
If
to
we see
London.
London.
I haven't been to London, so I don't know. So for me, I am really loving this. Like,
I'm saying
yeah,
just
because for the tourists. The tourists do that. And so every night, the winners of Amsterdam, they eat it.
No, I'm telling you.
Lots of food stores everywhere. So tayo mo yung nakalagay, Sintak? Ay, Siniak? Beto ko lang yun. Hero na. Okay. Hindi, kung yun yung dapat.
Why didn't you tell me? Finally, so hot.
but not like really like that we're perspiring. Not like it's thinking for like that. It's not like yeah. Mga, teka lang. Yeah. Oh, wow! Pwede nga.
Gab can play with that every single day. Oh, Gab is so distracted.
Oh, no. They might get mad at us.
Let's get out of here.
Let's have the ones. Gab, look at mommy. Okay, let's go. Yeah.
Bye.
It could be a house. Looks like it.
Yeah. Careful, ah. Be careful of the bike. No, don't touch your face.
I love her.
Yeah.
Hingal ako.
Wow. Isn't that hard? Careful. Don't fall down.
Happy.
Ako lang sa buong Paris ang naka-sleeveless ngayon.
Nakakala ko
Nasabi ni
backless.
Robin, backless.
Bakit ka
Bakit
backless?
ka naka-backless?